This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So we will be given two integers as input. So in the first line we are given the integer x, and in the second line we are given the integer y. So now we have to add both of these integers and we have to find the total number of carries which we get while adding these two numbers. So for example, initially let us assume the carry count to be 0, and now we have to start adding both of these integers. So first we will be adding the digits 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So we will be putting 0 and 1 in the carry. So the carry count is 1. And now we have 1 in the carry, and the next two digits are 5 and 4. So when we add 5 and 4 we get 9, and in carry we have 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So again we have another carry. So the total number of carry count is 2. So now again 1 is in the carry, and the next two digits are 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 we have carry 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So in this case we don't have any carry. So totally while adding these two integers we had 2 carries. So in our output we have to print 2. So that is the number of carries count. Similarly, in the second sample input we have two integers 99 and 190. So again we have to add both of these two integers and count the carries. So first we will be adding 0 and 9. So when we add 0 and 9 we get 9. So we don't get any carry. So the carry is initially 0. And the next two digits from the last are 9 and 9. So when we add both of these we get 18. So here we don't have any carries. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So now the carry count is updated to 1. So now we have 1, and here we don't have any digit, and we have 1 in the carry. So 1 plus 1 it will be only 2. So we don't get any new carries. So totally there was only 1 carry while adding these two integers. So in our output we are printing 1. So this is how we have to count the carries. Now let us see how to write a C program for this. So first I am creating 4 integer variables named x, y, and then carry count and carry. So initially I am setting carry count and carry to 0, and in the next line using a scanf statement I am accepting the values of x and y. And now I am going to create a while loop. So this while loop iterates until both the variables x and y becomes equal to 0. So in the condition we have given x not equal to 0 or y not equal to 0. So this loop iterates until both x and y becomes equal to 0. So in every iteration of this loop we will be dividing the integer variables x and y by 10. So x by is equal to 10 and y by is equal to 10. And in every iteration the x mod 10 and y mod 10 will be the last digits which we need to add. So I am storing them in two integer variables named digit 1 and digit 2. So I am setting digit 1 is equal to x mod 10, and similarly we have to store the last digit of y in digit 2. So now we know the last two digits, so we have to add those two, and if the sum is greater than or equal to 10 then we get a carry. So soon after finding the last digits I am checking whether it is greater than or equal to 10. So digit 1 plus digit 2 plus carry, if we add all these three and we get a value greater than or equal to 10, then it means that we have carry. So we have to increment the variable carry count. So after incrementing the variable carry count we should also update the value of the variable carry. So after adding the variables digit 1, digit 2 and digit 3, the carry will be nothing but the first digit. So after adding these three values, if we get some values like 17, then the first digit 1, that will be the carry. So the easiest way to find out the first digit is we have to convert it into a character array, and we can take the first character. So I am creating a new character array named temp, and I am storing the sum of digit 1 plus digit 2 and carry into this character array named temp by making use of this sprintf function. And after that I am going to take the first digit. So the first character is nothing but temp of 0, and in order to convert it from ASCII to decimal I am just subtracting it with the character 0. So we will be able to calculate the carry. Suppose if the sum of digit 1 plus digit 2 and carry is less than 10, then we don't have any carries. So in those cases we have to make the value of carry to 0. So in the else part we have to set the carry is equal to 0. So this is how we will be counting the number of carries we will be getting while adding the integer variables x and y. So finally after the execution of this while loop we would have calculated the total number of carrier count. So finally, using a printf statement, we can just print the value of the variable carry count. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.